Yeah, please continue.
Sir. So he told in those two like seasons, there's all this fever, cold, and paracetamol. Sales will be high, sir. And demand
Yes,
will be high. So
correct.
that time their evaluation will be done on monthly basis, sir.
Okay.
But most of the time it is calculated quarterly, sir. And as you
Wow.
told, no, sir,
Mm-hmm.
as you sir, like expenses will be showed, sir. And it's not in a general meeting, sir. But if the
One to one.
yes, sir. If the company sees that this person is spending more and not getting more profits to the
Mm-hmm.
company, call them and show, sir. Like these are your expenses, what you have made, and compared to your expenses, like profits are not yet recovered
Yeah,
from your side.
yeah, correct. Up to the mark or up to standards. Very good.
Yes, sir.
So thank
And
you for, yes. Continue.
and people who are like bringing more profits and less expenditure, no, sir. So
Yes,
they will be giving some extra benefits, sir.
correct.
So like they will be giving, sir, this my friend once he got a new mobile phone, sir.
Oh,
For
great, great. Hmm.
he was continuously, like 3 or 4 times like best salesman for that period, sir.
Yes.
So calculating all those, sir, he got a new phone, sir. So he
Great.
told like, only they will calculate and they will give rewards and also.
True. Rewards. Very good. Very thanks for sharing information, Sharon. Anybody else would like to share some information? Evaluation of a sales representative. Okay. You can think if you can, if you remember anything, you can share it after the class attendance. Okay. So let me take attendance now. Nishad. Absent.
Present, sir. He was
He is
present in the
present.
first class.
Okay. Aditya. Absent. Then Akshata. Absent. Akshay Pujari. Okay. Then Akshay Koradkeri.
Present, sir.
Ankita.
Present, sir.
Anusha.
Yes, sir.
Apeksha. Apeksha. Absent. Then Ashutosh.
Present, sir.
Prasad.
Yes, sir.
Supriya. Supriya is absent. Divya. Absent. Gautam.
Present, sir. Divya is present, sir.
And Divya is present. Gautam is absent. Guru Raj. Guru Raj is absent. Hanumant Rai.
Yes, sir.
Bhimaya. Absent. Kalaya. Absent. Karthik. Absent. Manjur. Manoj.
Yes, sir.
Then Meghna Kalburgi. Absent. Meghna Lokhande.
Present, sir.
Nandan.
Present, sir.
Nikita. Nikita, Pradeep, Pramod, Pranjali, Prashant, Prema, Rahul, Ram,
Present, sir.
Rohit,
Rahul present, sir.
Rahul present, okay. Rohit, Varsha,
Sir.
Rohit present, Varsha, Samuel,
So Varsha is also present, sir.
Varsha is also present, okay. Then Sharan,
Present, sir.
Shruti, present,
Present, sir.
yes. Shweta Kalkeri, Shweta Kalkeri, no. Snehal,
Present, sir.
Sudarshan, Sudha,
Present, sir.
yes. Suman,
Yes, sir.
Vishal,
Present, sir.
okay. Anybody else who skipped attendance?
Sir,
Pradeep
Nishad, sir.
and Nishad is marked present. Then who else?
Varsha, sir.
Varsha is also marked
Sir.
present.
Sir,
Okay.
Pranjali, sir.
Yeah, Pranjali. And Pradeep is also, Pradeep is there? Pradeep is there but not given attendance.
Sir, Anusha.
Yeah,
So Pradeep present, sir.
Pradeep now present. Anusha, marked present. Okay. Anybody else who skipped attendance? Okay. And then let's go ahead. Anything if you'd like to ask? Okay. Today after this class, I'm going to share, okay, I2 marks of a Salesforce management, CTA1 marks of Salesforce management. And also I will, okay, post CTA2 of a Salesforce management. Deadline is June 14. Okay, so you can check it after the classes and all after uploading the recorded video of this class. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So anything else you want to ask? Share?
Oh, sir.
Okay, then let me continue with the syllabus. Okay, so we were learning about the quantitative input factors which can be used as evaluation basis of sales representatives. Okay, so as I mentioned, the input factors are further classified into quantitative, so which can be quantified. Okay, numbers, calls per day or call rate is in numbers, days worked numbers, okay, selling time can be in numbers, okay, selling expenses can be in figures, so that way. So now qualitative input factors are those which cannot be quantified. You cannot okay, write them in numbers, so which cannot be quantified. So there are qualitative input factors which cannot be quantified, but they also can be used as a basis of evaluation of sales representative. For example, okay, one simple as a knowledge. So you cannot quantify knowledge, right? Okay. So personal efforts of the sales representatives, okay, are qualitative input factors which can be used as a basis of evaluation. For example, management of their time. So time management ability of the sales rep. So you cannot quantify it, but you can always know whether the person is struggling to manage time or managing time quite properly. Not only in sales job, any job, teacher, doctor, okay, you name it, engineer, okay. So these are applicable to most of them, but we are talking about sales rep. Management of their time. So how well, what is the time management ability of the sales rep? Some people, always struggling. Okay, entering the workplace late, entering their cabins or classes late. Okay, and some always attend to their work on time, complete their work on time. Some delay their work. Okay, so these all are related to management of the time. Planning and preparation for calls. So how well, okay, this sales rep is able to plan and prepare for the sales call. See, when the area sales managers work along with the sales representatives once or twice in a month for a couple of days, they can see it, they can observe it, okay, whether the sales rep is properly planning and preparing for the sales calls. So he can give a rating, like Likert scale rating. Then quality of sales presentations. So when the area sales manager work along with the sales reps, they also attend the sales calls. So sales reps, when they make presentations to the customers, the area sales manager will be present over there. So he can assess the quality of the sales presentations made by the sales representative. Okay, ability to handle objections and to close sales also, okay, can be considered as a basis of evaluation of the sales representative. Okay, but somebody should be observing the sales representative. Only then it is possible. Okay. So for that matter, any job, teacher, doctor, engineer, okay, you can consider this basis for evaluation. Then knowledge. See, like for a teacher, knowledge of the subject. Okay, for example, doctor, engineer, sales rep. For a sales rep, it is knowledge of the product. Company and company policies. How much the sales rep is aware about the company and company policies. Okay, how much the sales rep is aware about competitors' products and their strategies. How much knowledge the sales rep has about customers. Okay, so again, these all things are observed by the area sales manager who will be working along with the sales representative. Okay, okay, that is only for 2 days or 4 days in a month max. Remember, but that is enough. But he does it regularly every month. So in a year, the area sales manager would have worked at least for 24 to 36 days, 24 to 48 days. Okay, in a year. So that is a fair amount of time area sales manager has spent with the individual sales representative, and he can give this evaluation of sales reps personal efforts, sales reps knowledge of this following. Okay, then sales reps customer relations. Okay, so how the customers greet the or receive the sales rep. Okay, so how, whether the sales rep has maintained good relations, cordial relations with the customers or not. Okay, then personal appearance and health. Okay, so those who are negligent about their own dressing and grooming. Okay, so and if you want to work in corporate, you should know that your personal appearance and health can also be one of the basis of evaluation. Is also one of the basis of evaluation. Okay, so remember, and other than that, okay, so your dressing and grooming, okay, will affect your own image, okay, in the company. Please remember this. Okay, so not everybody speaks freely, but one student I remember, okay, so who visited the department and he was talking about, okay, how he struggled, not on account of performance, not on account, he was not into sales. Okay, he was into a sort of recruitment or administration or transaction processing, something like that, table job. Okay, so what he mentioned is, my performance was good, okay, right from the beginning, and I never had problems with respect to my performance. But what he said is, first 3 months, he said, sir, I struggled, I was so much embarrassed, okay, because I did not know how to professionally dress and groom. The place or company where he was working, okay, everybody used to come professionally dressed and groomed. Okay, so and this boy, in spite we tell in the college class, okay, he also has seen me how I dress and groom. Okay, 100 times I have told the others along with him, okay, how the corporate, okay, dressing and grooming should be. Okay, then he said, sir, I struggled 3 months literally to dress and groom properly. Okay, so I used to feel very low on confidence, embarrassed. Okay, but over a period of time, like up to after first month, second month, he started observing how others are dressing. Okay, then he said, I am able to do it. But every time, okay, I recalled you, sir, you always used to tell us that to dress and grow professionally. Okay, I didn't do it. Okay, so he was sharing. So that is why I said this is a learning platform. Learn now. You will not be embarrassed here while learning. But if you continue the same behavior in a corporate life, those who work only for them, it is difficult to adopt. Okay, so anyway, with that, it's 10 o'clock exactly. So let me stop for the day. You can log out and join your next class. Okay, good day to all of you and happy week ahead for all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Same
you,
to you.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome, welcome.